my name is Jazz and welcome to my channel. Okay guys, I'm really excited because this video is sponsored by Cricut and they sent me the new Cricut Joy as well as some smart vinyls, some smart materials, and the EasyPress too. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 6 awesome and extremely easy DIYs that you can make to personalize, customize, and organize each one of your projects with the Cricut Joy. Guys, this is my new baby. This is the Cricut Joy and I just love this machine. It works amazing. It is the smallest cutting machine and that is something that I love about this machine because I don't have a craft room. So with this machine I can make all my projects maybe in the kitchen, in my dining table, in my bed. I can make all these projects and I just need to take it with me and make all my projects super easy and use it anywhere. It is super easy to set up and that gives me the opportunity to make my projects so quickly, maybe using my desktop, my phone, my tablet, and with the Cricut Design Space I just make my projects in minutes. Guys, Cricut Joy used smart materials which are different from the vinyls and paper, and it is something very cool because with the smart materials you don't need to use a cutting mat. You can cut any shape, you can draw, you can write, you can make labels, which is something that is so cool and it is blowing my mind because I think I'm going to be organizing my entire home with the labels that I can make with this Cricut Joy, and also you can make last minute cards. Guys, I cannot wait to share all these projects with you, so let's get started. Okay guys, for the first project I'm going to make a calendar on a chalkboard. So I'm going to access my Cricut Design Space and in images I'm going to search and write the word calendar. I'm going to choose my favorite image and I'm going to insert it. I will adjust the size in addition to adding the first letter of the days of the week at the top, and I'm going to add a line to write the month. For this project, I'm going to use the permanent smart vinyl in white color and I'm going to cut just the piece that I need for this project. Then I will select the type of vinyl that I'm going to be using, and then the Cricut Joy will detect the material and measure the length of the vinyl to make sure it's okay for cut your project and then start cutting it. Guys, this is a smart machine using a smart material, and that is why you don't have to use a mat in this product. It is less to buy and less to transport, and it makes perfect and fast cuts. I give a fast forward to my video, but it only took like 4 minutes in cutting this project. Once finished, I took my piece of smart vinyl and removed the excess vinyl that I didn't need. From there, I'm going to use this transfer tape and I'm going to cut a piece and I'm going to put it on the top of my vinyl to transfer the decal that I made. As I said, I'm going to make a chalkboard calendar, so I'm going to put my permanent vinyl centered on my chalkboard and then I'm going to remove the transfer tape. I want to create a frame for my calendar that look rustic. So I use stir sticks and I cut 4 pieces with 45-degree angles on each side. The largest pieces measuring 10 inches long and the smallest 2 measuring 8 inches long. I'm going to form the frame, and just to stick it easy and fast, I'm going to put popsicle sticks on the back side with hot glue. You can leave your frame with the natural color of the wood, or you can color it with wood stain or maybe wax as I did, or any color that you like. For the frame to stand up, I'm going to glue 2 wooden pieces to the back side. Finally, you can stick your chalkboard to the frame with a strong glue. I chose this image from my Cricut Designs page, and I really love it because it gives me the opportunity to create a calendar and be able to personalize, write, cross out, and erase my chalkboard every month, and it looks beautiful, unique, and with a high-end looking. For the second project, I really want to make a sign that was too long to be able to write a positive message and read it every single day. So I used this piece of wood that I had in my stash, and I painted with a black chalk paint. For this sign, I need a decal that was 31 inches long, and this is something that the Cricut Joy have that I love. I was able to cut this continuous text without a mat, and you can also do the same with a continuous image up to 20 feet long with the same smart vinyl in just minutes. This 31 inches long decal that I made only took less than 4 minutes to cut the smart vinyl, and I just love it. Like I said, it is 30 inches long and 2 inches wide, which means I have a part of that vinyl left over. So in order not to waste it, I'm going to cut my smart vinyl to be able to cut that excess vinyl and use it in another project that maybe it can be a little bit smaller and can be put on a mat. I took off the excess vinyl that the letter of my decal had, and then I put a transfer tape on top. From there, I just have to put my decal on my wooden stick and make sure that everything was nice and well stick with my scraper, and I remove the transfer tape. Guys, this is how amazing this sign looks. Your limitation, it's only your imagination. I love this project. For the next project, I'm going to use this holographic glossy smart iron-on in Dahlia color. I wrote the word notes in my Cricut Designs page, then I select the option to do this project without a mat. And something very important is to put the mirror option on when you're working on iron-on material. I select the material, and to put it in your Cricut Joy, you must place the shine side down and select go. It is going to read the material and is going to measure how much vinyl do you have, and then your Cricut Joy begins to cut. To transfer the iron-on decal, I'm going to use my EasyPress 2, and I'm going to set it to 350 degrees for 15 seconds. I'm going to place my iron-on decal on top of this cork sheet, but before placing it, I must preheat my cork with the EasyPress 2. I'm going to put my iron-on decal in the cork, and then I put the EasyPress 2 on it for 15 seconds. Once the time has passed and your EasyPress 2 beep, you should remove your EasyPress 2 and let your project cool down so you can gently peel off the carrier sheet. Okay guys, so this is a very thin and adhesive cork, so I'm going to stick it on a piece of foam board just to make it a little bit stronger and thicker. From there, you can put this project anywhere. I decided to put this cork board in a frame that I found in my home. I think it was the frame of a mirror, I'm not sure, but anyway guys, you know me and you know that I love being creative with things that I already have in my house. So in the rest of the frame, I'm going to be placing chicken wire that I already painted with my black spray paint, and to hold it, I'm going to use staples around the edges of the frame, and then I'm going to cut the excess chicken wire with a wire cutter. Then I decided to put my project on the wall, and this will be the result. I love how it looks, and I love the idea of being able to personalize my piece of cork in just minutes with my Cricut Joy and my EasyPress 2. For the next project, I'm going to make a simple mailbox using this cute wooden crate. I decided to change the color using wax in antique color and let it dry very well. In my Cricut design space, I write the word mail and I'm going to select the option to cut this project with a mat because I'm going to use one piece of the smart vinyl that I had left over. This cute mat already comes inside the box when you buy your Cricut Joy. I'm going to put the piece of smart vinyl on the mat and then I'm going to select the material that I'm using, and then your Cricut Joy is going to read and measure and is ready to cut your decal. Finally, I put a transfer tape on it and I'm going to stick my decal on the wooden crate. Guys, this is a very easy project that takes me only minutes to make, and it is very practical for an office, and I'm happy because I finally have a designed space to put all my mail. For the next project, I'm going to be making labels to organize my office supplies. So I'm going to use the Smart Label Writable Vinyl, and you can write and cut on this vinyl, and this is so cool. In your Cricut design space, you must create, or you can go to the images and select a label design that you like, and then you must select what you want to draw from your label and what you want to cut. I'm going to be making 3 labels for this project, but you can cut and draw many more in a single piece of vinyl. When you select the material that you're going to use, you must load the material in your tool. The machine will draw first, so you must change your tool to place the Cricut Joy pen or marker, and it is very easy to do. Once your Cricut Joy finishes drawing and writing, you just have to change your pen or your marker for the blade for cutting and continue with your project. In less than 3 minutes, I have these 3 super cute labels to organize my supplies. Something that I also love about this smart label is that you don't need a transfer tape. It already has a sticker on the back, so I just have to peel it off and stick it on my organizer. This project was super easy, super simple to make, and perfect to organize not only your office. You can also make labels on a smart label paper to organize your kitchen, maybe your laundry, your craft room. To personalize a gift, you have many options. This last project is one of my favorites because I love the way it turned out, and I'm going to be recycling 4 beans cans and I'm going to paint them using my spray paint in ultra matte black. To all the cans, I made a small hole on the top with my drill to be able to place a piece of jute cord and tie a knot. Then I use these 3 sheets sampler smart vinyl that brings metallic colors that are beautiful in a matte finish. I'm obsessed with this set, and I'm going to be using for this project the champagne color to make my decal. I'm going to cut 4 images that my Cricut design space has to make this project: a scissor, a pencil, a leaf, and a brush. I'm going to remove the excess vinyl that all my decals has, and then I'm going to put a transfer tape on them, and then I'm going to stick an image to each of the cans. Guys, this is another way to organize your materials and tools in your office or any other area in your home. I think it looks super cute, and I love the combination of the vinyl color champagne with the black of my cans. I put the cans to hang on a wooden stick that I already stained, and I put it on the wall with hooks at each end, and I put the tools inside of the cans. Okay guys, Okay, so I hope that you like and enjoy these 6 organization ideas with the Cricut Joy. If you guys are interested in get the Cricut Joy or any other Cricut supplies, I'm going to be leaving you a link on the description box below. And I also save all the projects that I made in today's video, and if you want to make them yourself, I'm going to be leaving you the links in the description box of this video. If you like today's video, please give me a big thumbs up and make sure that you are subscribed to my channel for many more DIY decor ideas on a budget, and you can share this video with friends and family. I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye.